Movement can be as profound a gateway to presence as stillness. In fact, some of the deepest insights arise when we bring mindful attention to everyday activities like walking. Walking meditation bridges the gap between formal practice and daily life. It develops balance, coordination, and embodied awareness while showing us how to maintain presence in motion. Find a path where you can walk slowly for 15-20 steps before turning around. Begin walking at about half your normal pace. Let your attention rest in the sensations of walking, the lifting of each foot, the movement through space, the contact with the ground. Feel the intricate orchestration of muscles, the shift of weight, the play of balance. When your mind wanders, gently return to the physical sensations of walking. Notice how each step is unique, a complete journey in itself. This practice reveals the extraordinary within the ordinary. As you move through your day, let simple activities become opportunities for presence and wonder. Thank you for your practice. I hope we'll sit together again soon.